Hello everyone! A big hello to all the children and happy Children's Day! Today on this very special day, I have a wonderful and funny story for you all. Story of little Ruru. Yes, who is Ruru? You want to meet him? Okay, so let's go to the farm and meet Ruru. 1, 2, 3, here we go. So here is a farm where Ruru lives with his family and other farm animals. But where is Ruru? Oh, look, Ruru is here. So children, Ruru is a little rooster with many tunes in his head. Every time when he opens his beak, he sings, kick, kick, crow, kick, kick, crow, coo, 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 cookie, coo, kiki, coo. Everything, but not coo-coo-coo. The rooster's call. He tries and tries, but he just can't get it right. And tomorrow is a Rooster Day. Ruru is so excited. Oh, I want to crow well tomorrow on the Rooster Day. But how? Yes. How do my other friends make their calls? I need to learn from them. And Ruru sets out. Ruru sees Moo Cow and Ruru asks, Hey Moo Cow, tell me, how do you do your moo? Well, here's what I tell my calf. Shake your head, open your mouth, and let out a nice long moo. Ruru was very excited and he shakes his head side to side, opens his beak and kuka 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 moo. Oh no, Ruru. Better you ask Donkey how he brays, says Cow. Donkey comes and says, Here's what I tell my foal. Stamp thrice on the ground. Dhup dum dhup, dhup dum dhup, dhup dum dhup. And let out a nice loud hee-haw, hee-haw, hee-haw. Ruru cleans off the hay, stamps dhup-dum-dhup, dhup-dum-dhup, dhup-dhup-dum, opens his beak and cook-cook-cook-cook-cook, hee-haw. Squills piglets in the pan, woken up from their nap. Shh, Ruru, quiet, grunts pig. Do what my piglets do. They roll to the left. Squelch, squelch, squelch. They roll to the right. Squish, squish, squish. And they grunts the best grunts. Ruru closes his eyes and steps into the mud. He lies down and rolls around. Squish, 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 squish. He opens his beak and cuckoo, 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 cuckoo. Oh no! Will I ever learn my rooster call? Cries out Ruru. Listen to the fellow birds, Ruru. Flap your wings, wiggle your bottom, open your beak and quack, 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 quack. This should work, thinks Ruru. He flaps his wing, wiggle his bottom, and he opens his beak and quack, quack, quack. Yelps cat, who had been lounging in the sun. Ruru, goodness me! 1, 2, 3, 4, stretch to the front, stretch to the back, and let out a perfect meow. Ruru stretches his neck forward and tries hard to stretch it back. Oh, he opens his beak and meow. Bleats goat. Ruru, is that you? Yes. How did you say that? Asks Ruru, deciding to give it one last try. Okay, I will tell. A flick of my tail, a hop and a skip, I open my mouth to bleat. Ma! A flick of my tail, a hop and a skip, I open my mouth to bleat. Ma! A flick of my tail, a hop and a skip, I open my mouth to bleat. Ma! A flick of my tail, a hop and a skip, I open my mouth to bleat. Ma! Ruru flicks his tail feathers, hops and skips, opens his beak and Ruru hangs his head low. He goes back to his coop. He sits down quietly. He was very, very sad. Then his cousin comes. Hey Ruru, where were you? We have been looking for you. You need to think up the rooster song for tomorrow. Ruru looks around in astonishment. Me? I can't even crow. How can I come up with the song? Oh Ruru, we can all cuckoo-crow. But none of us can make up the wonderful tunes that you can. Each time you sing, it's different. And that night, Ruru has the best sleep ever. He wakes up early in the morning and his little head buzzing again with many tunes. This time he opens his beak to sing and dance to a very special Rooster Raga. Come on everyone, it's time to sing and dance. Shake your head, do the moo. Stamp your feet, roll and goo. Grunt and mew, do the quack. Nothing you do is out of whack. Just be you, you, you. Just be you, you, you. You, 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 you. Kuka moo, kuka quack. Kuka hee haw, kuka meow. Kuka ma, kuka, 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 kukurukuru. So children, this was the story of Little Ruru. I hope you liked it. And at the end, I would like to say each one of you is unique, special and wonderful. Believe in yourself. You can do wonders like Ruru. So it's time to go now. Bye-bye.